Good morning, everyone. Today is the 15th of February, Monday. It's half term here in the UK. There's no school for the week. So anyway, guys, because Gabriel is here, I did cook a lot for both of us. I made tinolang manok. I'll show you. Here, guys. Ooh. So guys, this one is spinach. Guys, so tinolang manok. Look, I put so I've got chicken here. This is spinach. So I put ginger, onion, fish sauce, and that's it, guys. Yeah. You know what, guys? This is a whole bag of spinach. So yeah. Me and Gable are going to eat now. Lunchtime, guys. Guys, I'm watching this one, Destiny Rose, and I made myself a fish sauce with lemon juice and chili. So, you know, like in the Philippines, like patis na may kalamansi at sili. We are eating now. Gabriel has orange juice and rice and chicken. And then look at my rice is a lot. I'm starving, guys. That's my... Gabi, did you like your food? Mama cook for you. Yeah? You like it, my boy? Good boy. Come on, eat, my mahal ko. You say, let's eat.
Let's eat.
Good boy. That's my boy eating the... Oops, careful, tinola. Good boy. Use your fork, darling, please. Good morning, everyone. Today is what day now? Saturday, and we just came back from we dropped Gabriel to his classmate. It's her birthday party, and now we did pick him up again. So now, Gabriel, show them what you got from the party now. So Gabriel has a cake. He's eating it now, and they gave him this one. What's inside, anak? Let's show them what you got inside, shall we? So you've got, wow, coloring book. What's this? You got loads of sweeties, anak. Wow. You starving, darling? Wow, he's eating the cake. Is that crayons? Wow, and you got a balloon there. Did you enjoy the party, darling? Did you see your classmate there? Love you. Guys, we are having lunch now. Oh my god, KFC again. We are starving.
Oh, says no.
And this is my food, guys. I've got a gravy, rice, and chicken wings my husband bought me. We haven't had any breakfast and lunch. So this is our... Oh, it's already... Guys, it's already 15 past 1 and we haven't had breakfast and lunch. So that's why we are starving. Guys, we are having this donut. Apple flavor.
The first pill I took lasted about 12 hours. I have time to make one more move before I come down.
Apple filled donut. Hello, guys. I just got home. Look at the time. It's
Mama,
10 to 12 now. But guys, my boys are still awake waiting for me. Cable is watching in his computer.
and then there's a blanket.
Are you watching Ninja Turtle? And my husband is watching some like football. Are you still awake?
Over to your face.
Kiss mama. Love you. My husband is fast. What's this? Rice, egg. What's this? That ham? Sausage. And a coffee. My husband said, guys, it's a turkey bacon. And today is Sunday. My husband is having breakfast as well. Toast, tay. And scrambled egg. Hello guys, I'm back. We are off to the church now. So I'll see you later. Look at the outfit of Gabriel. He's wearing a hat.
I spoiled my cat my daddy rhythm, and then I went swimming, and then I made a plane,
Good boy.
and a book, and the book thing there.
You're gonna put it back. Hello guys, good evening now. So we're going to have, what time is it now? Our clock is not working because it needs a new battery. I'll show you what my husband made. Look guys, look what he made. Lasagna. And we have a nice salad. Thank you, darling. Really nice dinner for tonight. And we have a garlic bread. Gabriel, come on now. Eat, please. Extra cheese for Gabriel. Look, guys, what my husband put on my plate. It's a lot, yeah? A lot of lasagna. Thank you, darling. Guys, it's really nice, the salad and the lasagna. Thank you, darling. Really crunchy salad. I really love the cherry tomato, guys. It's really nice. And Gabriel, look at his plate, guys. Half of his food now. Very good, darling. Good boy. We enjoy it. Thank you for cooking, darling.
I wanted more.
Oh, you wanted more.
I wanted to have.
My husband put a new light on
When?
in the conservatory. I'll show you our old light there. Only one on the side, but that's a new one that he did today. So he did all the wiring and the connections. So I'll show you later on. I'll just finish my food, guys. Guys, I will show you what my husband has been doing this weekend. One of this radiator. I'll show you. There's no radiator here before, so my husband fitted that one. He did everything. Yes. And then he did, there's no, what do you call this one? Socket here before. Only, how many socket we have here in the kitchen, dining room? Nothing, Dad, yeah? Only one. Yeah, one at the back of the door. So my husband put this one as well. And this one, radiator, is working now. Nice and warm. We only have the fireplace here to keep us warm. But sometimes we don't put it on. So now my husband put this. And I'll show you another thing he did. Guys, you know what? I can feel the difference now because it's nice and warm. So that's our conservatory. I bought an angel the other day, guys. Look. So cute. Guys, look, my husband bought me a rose the other day, but I forgot after 2 days before I put it in a water. Look what happened to it.
Palm.
Good boy.
Good. Oh. got.
Good boy.
A p o t pot.
Good boy. So,
Mm. Sam
Sam, good boy.
g o t got.
Good boy.
A t t
No, it's not t, is it? It's
o t pot.
good boy. So Sam got
Got
a pot.
pot.
No.
T p a t pat.
Hello to Pamela, Damian. Hello. Thank you so much for watching all the time. Hello to sis Che Moana. Hello sis.